Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we stayed out in Smoky Lake, but we're looking at the massive pumpkins. These concrete pumpkins are located in the aptly named Pumpkin Park, which is located at the end of Wheatland Avenue. Pumpkin Park is also along the old railroad right-of-way, which has become a part of the Trans-Canada Trail, named the Iron Horse Trail. These pumpkins were placed in 2004, the 16th year of the Pumpkin Festival, in recognition of the volunteers that work the annual festival. The festival is held on the first Saturday in October and features not only pumpkins, but also squashes and gourds from as far away as 1,000 kilometers. Although I could not find the sizes or weights for these concrete pumpkins, the fair does attract growers with massive gourds. The winner in 2022 was Don Cruz with a pumpkin that tipped the scales at 1,150 kilograms. To put this in perspective, a Ford F-150 weighs about 1,845 kilograms, or almost 700 kilograms more than this pumpkin. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Feel free to share the video with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.